Unlock a new income stream by harnessing the creative power of Canva through their affiliate program. Ready to get started? First things first. Head over to the Canva affiliate program website. You can usually find a link to it by searching directly on Google for Canva affiliate program or by checking the footer of the Canva website for a partner or affiliate link. Once you're on the affiliate page, look for the sign up or join now button. This will take you to the application form. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and crucially, your website or social media platforms where you plan to promote. Canva be honest and thorough here, as they want to ensure you're a good fit. After submitting your application, it might take a little while for Canva to review and approve your account. Keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation email. Once approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Now for the exciting part, generating your unique affiliate links. Within your dashboard, you'll find tools to create these links. You can typically generate links for specific Canva features, landing pages, or even direct links to sign up for Canva Pro. With your links in hand, it's time to market. Share these links strategically across your platforms. Think about creating engaging content that showcases the benefits of Canva. This could be tutorials on how to create stunning social media graphics, flyers, presentations, or anything else Canva excels at. Include your affiliate link naturally within your blog posts, video descriptions, social media captions, or even within your actual Canva designs if your platform allows. Remember, authenticity is key. Create content you genuinely believe in, and your audience will trust. Your recommendations. Track your clicks and conversions within your affiliate dashboard to see what's working best. By consistently providing value and creatively promoting Canva's amazing tools, you can effectively build a steady income stream as a Canva affiliate. So, start creating, start sharing, and start earning with the Canva affiliate program today.